If you want to display recent posts on your homepage or any other page, you can use the post list widget. To activate the widget, go to the items add-ons, find post list and activate it. Now you can go to your Elementor page, search for the widget, drag it here, and you can see it pulls post automatically. This widget comes with multiple skins, so you have the default skin, the banner skin, modern, and title list. We're going to stick with the default for now. For the default skin, you can also choose between a classic style and a list style. Let's go back to classic. You can select the number of columns you want, and you can change the gap between items. Let's go to the query section now. So first of all, I'd like to say that this widget can display posts, but any other custom post types as well. For example, let's see products, pages, or any other custom post type you might have on your website. So you can fine-tune the query, you can include or exclude categories, you can exclude posts or include specific posts and display only those in your widget. You can of course change the number of posts to show. You can change the order by date, title, or random. You can ignore sticky posts, so this basically makes them not show in your widget. And you can display posts with an offset, which means if, for example, you type 1 here, the widget will start from your second post instead of the first one. Now the element section, plenty of options here as well, so you can customize as you need. So you can show or hide the title, you can change the HTML tag for the title, change the alignment. Also for the images, you can hide them or show them, change the height, the image fit, so it can be cover, contain, fill, or none. For the post info, you can change the delimiter, so this element right here, something like this. You can also show or hide exactly the elements you need, so date, author, or categories. For the categories, you can display them as a link, which is the default way, or you can display them as a label like this. Of course, you have options to customize the alignment here. Now for the excerpt, you can show or hide it, and you can also change the number of words that is displayed. You can also add a read more link, like this. So here it is, it's a nice button. And you also have options to configure the pagination. So if you need the pagination, just enable from here. Now for the styling options, we're going to move over to the style tab. And we have options for the card. So for example, let's see, we want to add a background color to each element, also some radius maybe. You can also have different settings for the hover state. So for example, something like this. You can change the background when the user hovers over the card. Images also have options here, so you can change the spacing as well as the radius. For the post titles, you can change the color for both the normal and the hover states as well as the typography. Let's have a quick look here. So for example, I can add a different font family for the titles. The same options are also available for the post meta, so you can change the color, the hover color, and the typography, and of course for the content. You can customize it as needed. There are options also for the colors for the pagination, so you can change the color as well as the hover color. And that's it. Thank you for watching.